Hey, welcome back. So in this video, we will discuss about the string escape characters or string escape sequence in JavaScript. Okay, so let's get started. So let's do something like this. So let message equals to, let's do he said, and then inside of the quotes, okay, inside of the double quotes, hi there. All right. So we have seen this one, right? And we have seen this problem here. So what exactly happens here is that JavaScript thinks like, hey, this string is ending here abruptly, and then the hi there is hanging around. So that is why we are getting an error. So if I just save that, we will get an error. So how we can solve this problem? We have seen the solution. So we can use the double quotes on the outside and single quotes on the inside, or we can use single quotes on the outside, double quotes on the inside. Okay, but there is another solution for this problem. So we can use a string escape sequence, okay, or the escape characters. So if I just add a backslash here and another backslash here, okay, and I will copy because I think Prettier will format this one. So if I just save that, as you can see, Prettier is formatting. So I will just do something like this and do a semicolon here, and let's do console log message, okay, and add a semicolon here. And what I'll do, I'll do Control Shift and P and save without formatting. Okay, all right. So as you can see, this is a valid string. So he said hi there. Okay, so this is how we can escape certain characters here. So there are a bunch of escape characters. We can escape the single quotes here as well. So if I just do backslash single quote here, and let's do control shift P, save without formatting. Once again, we are getting this single quote here. Okay, so we can do something like this. Also, there is another one, which is basically if we want to have a new line. Okay, so he said, and I want this hi there to a new line, I can do something like this, backslash n. If I save that, then we are getting he said hi there. Once again, I'll just do something like this, save without formatting here. Okay, all right. So this is the string escape characters here. All right. And for example, here you want to have a backslash in your string. So how you can do that? So a single backslash, basically if I just do something like this, so this is a backslash, and here I will do something like this. A single backslash has like, okay, not this one, it was a forward slash, so this is a backslash. So a single backslash does not have a meaning. So if I just save that, as you can see, there is no backslash here. Okay, so here we have to add another backslash. So if I just do something like that, so we are having this backslash here. Okay, so yeah, so whenever we want to escape certain characters inside of a string, we can use the string escape characters for that. Okay, and string escape characters starts with the backslash. Okay, just remember that. So there are a bunch of more string escape characters here. You can just go to MDN or in any other website, just search like the string escape characters on the internet, and you will be able to find the string escape characters in JavaScript. Okay, and this is quite common inside of the other programming languages as well. All right, so yeah, so in this video we have learned about the escape sequence or the escape characters in JavaScript strings.